Imagine a creature so ancient that it existed before the dinosaurs. A creature so tough it could outlast nearly every challenge nature throws at it. You won't find it in your backyard, but if you go to some of the harshest, most unforgiving places on Earth, hot deserts, freezing caves, and rocky cliffs, you might just come across something that looks almost like it was built to survive the apocalypse itself. Meet the scorpion, nature's toughest survivalist. Meet the scorpion. It might seem like a simple, spiky little creature until you take a closer look. With its sharp pincers, venomous tail, and armor-like exoskeleton, the scorpion is one of the most extraordinary survivalists the world has ever known. A creature that's been roaming the Earth unchanged for more than 400 million years. Far longer than any mammal or bird, and possibly even longer than most plants. This isn't just any creature. No, the scorpion is an ancient warrior, perfectly built for survival in the most extreme environments imaginable. It's been through the ringer, survived ice ages, asteroid impacts, and even the rise and fall of entire ecosystems. And guess what? It's still here, thriving in some of the most unforgiving habitats known to man. The scorpion can survive for months without food. When food is scarce, it doesn't panic. It just slows down, conserves energy, and waits. While other creatures would wither away, the scorpion simply bides its time, knowing that it will outlast whatever obstacles are in its way. And here's where it gets mind-blowing. It can go without water, too. Unlike most animals, which need constant hydration, the scorpion can survive on minimal moisture, extracting it from the food it eats. It's a desert warrior, a master of managing limited resources. Now, let's talk about armor. The scorpion is basically walking, scuttling, miniature tank. Its tough exoskeleton, made of chitin, serves as both a protective shield and a skeletal structure, allowing it to withstand impacts and attacks from the harsh elements. And here's something wild. Scorpions molt. That means they shed their old exoskeleton to grow a new one. It's one of nature's most impressive survival tricks, growing a brand new set of armor. And we certainly can't forget the scorpion's most famous feature, its tail. The one thing that sends shivers down your spine when you even think about it. But that tail, it's not just for show. It's a finely tuned weapon, a venomous needle ready to strike. With one swift move, the scorpion injects venom that paralyzes its prey, making it helpless before the scorpion devours it. But here's the kicker. The venom isn't just a random feature of the scorpion. It's a precision tool, evolved over millions of years to be just the right level of potent. Not too strong to waste, but strong enough to do the job. The scorpion's venom has another fascinating aspect. It's different for each species. Some use it to hunt, some for self-defense, and others for territorial control. It's a multi-purpose tool, built by nature to fit any occasion. In this world, while most creatures retreat to their shelters, the scorpion comes alive. It's a nocturnal hunter, staying hidden during the day and only emerging at night, when the air is cooler and the danger of dehydration is lower. But wait, there's more. If you've ever wondered why scorpions seem to glow under ultraviolet light, here's the incredible truth. It's not just for show. The scorpion's exoskeleton contains special chemicals that make it fluoresce in the dark. Scientists believe this glowing may help the scorpions communicate with one another, or perhaps even ward off predators. So, what makes the scorpion so resilient? It's not just its venom or its ability to wait out the harshest conditions. It's that the scorpion embodies one of nature's greatest survival truths, the ability to keep going when the odds are stacked against you, to survive in an environment where most creatures would struggle. So the next time you think about survival, think of the scorpion, a creature that has survived everything from the asteroid that wiped out the dinosaurs to the rise of humanity itself. A creature that thrives in conditions where most would falter. The scorpion teaches us one thing above all. The key to survival is not about being the biggest or the fastest. It's about being the toughest, the most resilient, and the one who knows how to endure. Now, it's time to see how much you've learned from today's episode. We've got 3 fun trivia questions coming up. Ready? Let's start. Question 1. How long have scorpions been on Earth? And the answer is C. Scorpions have been around for over 400 million years, surviving various mass extinctions and environmental changes. Question 2. What is one reason scorpions glow under ultraviolet light? And the answer is A. The glow may help scorpions communicate with each other or ward off predators. Last question. Why are scorpions considered such tough survivors? And the answer is C. Scorpions have incredible endurance and can survive long periods without food or water, allowing them to outlast harsher conditions. Great job! If you got all 3 questions correct. If you missed one, don't worry. Now you know more about this fascinating creature. We hope you enjoyed diving into these fascinating facts. And remember, every day is a new opportunity to learn something extraordinary. Thank you for watching. If you have suggestions for our next video, feel free to share them in the comments below. We'll be sure to give you an acknowledgement for your contribution.